Uploading student health requirements. All residents and traditional undergraduate students are required to complete health forms and upload immunization requirements upon enrollment. To upload your health requirements, the Student Health Services Department can be found on the MyMSMU webpage under Student Life. Click Student Health Services, and you will be taken to the Student Health Services internal webpage. Click on Requirements and Forms at the top of the page to find a link to the list of required immunizations and forms. Here, you will find a list of the required immunizations and forms along with the submission deadlines. The health history form and TB screening forms can be found under Required Health Forms at the bottom of the page. Completed forms should be uploaded to your Student Medicap portal. The portal can be found by clicking the Student Medicap portal link at the top of the page or under Required Health Forms. The portal is HIPAA compliant, so all submissions are private and protected. If you are under the age of 18, make sure to also complete and upload the Minor Authorization Consent Form for medical treatment. Your parent or guardian's written signature is required. Electronic signatures will not be accepted. Once you are ready to submit your immunization records and health forms, click on the Student Medicap portal link and follow the instructions on the screen to register your account. Your username is your MSMU email address, and your university ID is your student ID number. Make sure to include all 7 digits of your student ID number. Once you click Submit, you will receive a link to your MSMU email address to set up your password and activate your account. Once you have set up your password, log into your Medicap portal and follow the instructions on the screen to upload your required immunization records and complete the health forms.